Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by invoking your voice assistant and saying the wake phrase clearly. Once done, tell it you want to change your password and specify the account or device name. You'll be prompted to verify identity, provide the current password, PIN, or confirm via fingerprint. Make sure the assistant confirms the account before proceeding, because voice commands can affect multiple services. Speak slowly for any spelled passwords, and listen for the confirmation token or approval prompt before moving on. You now complete authentication and create the new password. After verifying, the assistant will ask you to dictate or spell the new password aloud. Spell any special characters slowly, letter by letter. Explain aloud if asked. Say uppercase A or symbol at sign to avoid ambiguity. Make sure the new password meets complexity rules, length, numbers, symbols, because weak passwords will be rejected once you spell it. The assistant typically asks you to repeat the password to confirm exact entry. You finish by confirming the change and saving recovery options. Once the assistant confirms success, immediately test signing in from another device to ensure the new password works. Make sure to update any password managers or linked devices. If the process fails, revoke the assistant's voice password change permission and perform a manual reset through the account settings on a secure device. As a troubleshooting tip, if the assistant mishears characters, use the companion app to type the password in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.